One animal is impatient for spring to arrive. These prairie chickens are strutting their stuff, hoping to catch the eye of the gals. Fancy footwork and a bit of clucking. But the ladies have seen it all before. They like their chicken tough. The gents have got to puff themselves up and duke it out. Defeat and victory. This lady's picked her man. But the other suitors can't bear it. Jealousy and outrage reignite. But the fight is interrupted by a larger threat. Spring roars onto the prairie with a vengeance. 50-mile-per-hour winds fan the flames across the horizon. The blaze burns for days, devouring hundreds of acres. But on the prairie, fire is the engine of rebirth. A new world springs from the fertile ash.